In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cases on Salesforce. By the end, you'll confidently find cases, switch list views, open a record, understand the status path, and explore key details and activity tools without missing anything important. Start from the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. From here, open the App Launcher, the waffle icon in the top left. This menu shows your available apps and items. Choose Cases to jump straight into your organization's case management area. If you don't see Cases right away, use the search box at the top of the App Launcher to find it quickly. On the Cases page, you'll likely land on a list view called Recently Viewed. This view is handy for quick access to records you opened recently, but it's not always the best for active work. Open the list view picker near the top left and switch to All Open Cases. This filters the list to only cases that are still in progress. If this is your go-to view, consider pinning it so it becomes your default every time you return to cases. Now open a case from the list to see its details. On the case record page, look at the path across the top. This path shows the case status and typical progression. You'll see statuses such as new, working, waiting on customer, escalated, and closed. These stages help teams collaborate and keep everyone aligned on what's happening next. You can click through each status to understand where a case sits in its lifecycle. When you move a case to the appropriate stage, use Mark Status as complete to confirm the change. Depending on your organization's setup, certain required fields may need to be filled before you can complete a status. If you need to update the case, use the Edit button near the top. This opens the Edit window where you can modify fields like priority, subject, or assignment. If you're just previewing and don't want to keep changes, click Cancel to exit without saving. If you did make updates you want to keep, click Save. Your permissions and page layout can affect which fields are available to you, so if you don't see something you expect, check with your admin. Next, review the detail sections on the record page. Open contact details to see information about the person associated with the case, like their name and preferred contact method. Case information summarizes the core attributes of the case, such as origin, priority, and owner. Contact information can include additional fields about how to reach the customer. Description. Information typically contains the problem statement, context, and any relevant notes. This is invaluable for handoffs and future reference. System information shows behind-the-scenes data like record IDs, creation and modification tracking, and other metadata that can help with audits or troubleshooting. Over on the activity area, you'll find tools that keep communication and follow-ups organized. Use email to send a message directly from the case, keeping the thread attached to the record for visibility. Choose New Task to set a reminder for yourself or teammates, ensuring next steps don't slip through the cracks. Select Log a Call to record the outcome of a phone conversation, including notes and follow-up actions. If your timeline gets long, click Show All Activities to expand and review the full history of emails, tasks, calls, and other interactions. Keeping this timeline complete makes collaboration smoother and reporting more accurate. That's the full walkthrough. Navigate to cases using the App Launcher, switch from Recently Viewed to All Open Cases, open a record, understand and update the status path, optionally edit and save changes, explore the key detail sections, and manage communication and tasks from the activity tools. Follow these steps and you'll streamline your casework while keeping everything organized and easy for your team to track. Thanks for watching and happy case managing in Salesforce.